Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. We found the coolest festival nail art ideas so you don't have to. Festival season is somewhat my satisfying and no we are not just talking about the suspect substance you would like comes across in line for the porta potty. Instead, we are referring to the fatigue inducing trends we see over and over again. We have this weird theory that the overt predictability of festival beauty is part of the general allure. That being said, the inherent fun factor shouldn't be underestimated. After all, when else are you doing to cover yourself head to toe in gilded body, tattoos, glitter, ombre, rhinestone, or heck, all theirs simultaneously, which bring us to other festival ideas like nail art. We rounded up 16 of the best festival inspired nail art ideas we have seen on many art social medias as of late to keep your nail game inspired. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. If you thought the peel on stickers trend was purely the stuff of your middle school many dreams, think again. Beloved California based nail salon Olive and John has two different sets of salon inspired designs, which basically gives you the look of a painstaking in-house job sans the sweat, wait time, and investment. Simply peel, stick, and seal with your favorite clear top coat. For a festival ready nail aesthetic, the butterflies shown here are part of the brand Desert Mood Nail Art sticker set. Not a fan of sparkle? Fear not, there are still plenty of festival nail art ideas to inspire your upcoming mani. For instance, we like the playfulness of the bold, fun Trisa color hair juxtaposed with their dainty black polka desk. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching my video.